Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
If usiyakhumbula ngo-2021 kuze kuba July unrest, Ubaba uZuma I think waboshwa or wayehanda over to the police. It was during the week. President Cyril Ramaphosa wayengekho in the country. So mayengekho, I remember mayefika, there was intatheli that specifically asked him ukuthi usazwile ukuthi former state president useboshiwe, wathi yena bengakezwa. Wasethi oh okay uzokwenza njani, wathi no because akakezwa akazi lutho, so usazobona ukuthi kuzokwenzangalani. I remember ubaba Zuma mayeboshwa banethu, people already started burning like roads, looting there and there, yabo. And then when asho njalo upresident athi hayi kwathi gozololo kwathula, I remember there was nothing that happened because I think it was a Friday, we went to work, everything was fine. Wathi uzobiza i-family meeting. I-family meeting wayizoyibizela uSunday. Yes. Sunday, everybody was glued to their screen because people wanted to know ukuthi uzothini. Yabo? Wasitshela nge-ethnic mobilization, if you guys still remember. That's what he said. Shuthi nje, it's just a group of Zulu people, balwela the Zulu leader. I think engakapheli even the address. I was ngisahlala ekhaya at that time. Ngezwa ethuma yini leyo because there was a loud noise. Kwathi qhu. I don't know what was happening. Sathi nesiphumela eminyango sibuka kude kunemlilo kuyasha. You know? And then people started posting videos ukuthi endaweni ethize kwenze ukuthi. So izolo nje uthema yethi uzo addressa. I didn't even watch. Angizange ngibuke, I'm not gonna lie, angazi nokutheni. Ngibuka through your comments and your analysis. Oh, okay, this is what he might have said. But to say I'm surprised or disappointed, no, I'm not. Ngoba ngisho 2021, he did the same thing. He knows how to gaslight us. While abantu, they are waiting for you on things that ezibaphethe kabi ukuthi when we address it, you come in uzobayisa. Uyadelela phela upresident. But ke anginandaba ukuthi utheni. Mina yami point lisamile ukuthi after school guys, after school. Umhla ka-30 nje umhla ka-30, and there is nothing that the government can say or do to us. Ngakho ngoba we are exercising our constitutional rights as citizens of South Africa to march. So ukuthi yena uthini, ucabanga ukuthini ngakho, no. Into nje esingangene kuyo leyo. Nanokuthi ke we are finding people bethi straight after president uJacinta was given airtime blah blah blah. Hey lalelani, ama media houses afana just like influencers. They want engagement on their pages, on their network. They want the traffic jam to happen. And right now uJacinta is the most talked about leader in the country. So ubani ongafuni ukuba ne-interview naye so that people can be glued to that channel listening to her. Asihlehla sindawo mangobe sesikhona sithandwa sami asinandaba ukuthi utheni lwabhuti izolo thina sithi emva kwakho okushoyo nje gogo sinawe ozokusho nje sinawe lapho sothe thina silindele umhla ka-30 yena nje beyikhulumela nabantu bakhe bakhongolose nabanye abajabulayo la bathi president has said this, thank you Mr. President. Go on guys, asinandaba. Actually we don't care. Mhla ka-30 is mhla ka-30. Finish.
Hey bantu bakuthi nqabelele mana isazana. Hey ndithi makhe ndiphinde ndivele man kwesi sankxwe sisivayo. In fact le nto yenzekayo ye-illegal immigrants ndibona namhlanje into yobana kwango-2010 I was writing about these things ezenziwa ngabantu bokufika abengenzi ngendlela apha eSouth Africa. Aba bantu bafika apha bengathi balambile, sabaphakela ukutya uba mabatye, kanti siphakela abathakathi. Kanti siphakela abathakathi izinto ezizawuphinde zisijikele xa ziva zihluthi. Bahluthi abathakathi ngoku. Sithi abawaphakelayo abathakathi bafika belambile apha. Ndikhumbula sisakhula, ngosasikhula amaSomalia, umntu xa kusithiwa liSomalia, it was a slang for umntu ohluphekayo. Xa usithi yisomali mfethu, yisomali, it means lambile or ananex. Kuthiwa ngumSomalia lowo. MSomalia, kuthiwa uyaphuwa. All of a sudden now they are business people. Saphakela abathakathi ngoba bubugqwirha le nto yenzekayo bayenzayo abafo. Sithi sibavule kakuhle, sibaphe ukutya, sibaphakele befika belambile elizweni lethu. Ngoku bafuna uvala ikhabhathi. Bavala ikhabhathi le bayibonileyo uba ukutya kuhlala phi, ngoku bafuna utshixa ikhabhathi bahambe nesitshixo. Hayi, sabaphakela abathakathi. Abathakathi aba baphakelwa sithi. Uyabona ke ngoku ngokuvalwe laa khabhathi baphuma abantu bahambe babuyela apha bavela khona. Ixesha lifikile, akukho xesha lifike nje. Uyazi xa kusithiwa into inexesha layo kuxelwa into ezinje. Lifikile ixesha lale nto. Uba urhulumente waseSouth Africa akahambi nabantu abathi mabahambe, uyawubafumana phambili. Uyawusifumana phambili ngoba ekugqibeleni kuyanyanzeleka urhulumente ezile. South Africans sabaphakela abathakathi. Ixesha lifikile into yobana mabaziphuthume bakhe bayojonga iinkomo uba zibuyile na emazweni abo. Siyacela, asikalwi, sisacela uba bazihambele ngabantakwethu, ewe, phaa emazweni abo.
So many South Africans, even foreigners as well, have come out to react on what the president of South Africa said yesterday. And this lady right here, she's saying that she did not watch the news because this happened last time, 2021. So now she just decided, oh no, I know I will be disappointed on what the president is going to say. So let me not even watch the news. She went on to check the comments of people and obviously know what the president has said. And she is also encouraging Jacinta to say, please do not give up. We are behind you. We are fighting with you. You are not alone on this one. Which, for me, I feel like so many people are standing, not Jacinta, truly speaking. So many people are standing, not Jacinta, because I even saw on Facebook, so many South Africans are very disappointed on what President Cyril Ramaphosa said, saying that we are very disappointed. We want to vote for Jacinta because obviously she is doing something which South African sees, or it does help. It is effective. Yes, it is helping them in a way. But anyway, please say your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think?